Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage navigation settings. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Now enter navigation and menu. Enter settings, and here you can manage traffic info, route options, map options, guidance options, system information. You can edit or import POIs or reset navigation settings to defaults. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.